My role here at RestorationsPro is the marketer slash videographer. I go out in the field, grab videos and everything, and I edit them and then send them out on social media so that people can see exactly what we do. RestorationsPro is, well, a restoration company. So if someone has mold, fire, water, even roofing damage, we take care of that. We can work with your insurance adjusters, you know, and help you get back to where you need to be. So what originally kind of set us on this path was we realized that our SEO guy, you know, wasn't taking care of keywords, and he wasn't basically leading us in the right direction. So, you know, going through our training, it's helped us to get on track, and hopefully we can reach our end goal of getting more leads. I liked how thorough you guys were. You didn't just, you know, leave us, you know, questioning what in the world are we going to do. You made sure that, you know, everything's videotaped for us so that we can go back and refer to everything. You guys are communicative. If we text you a question or something, you guys get back with us as soon as we can, so I really appreciate that. But yeah, you guys are you guys are great guides. You helped us to be able to figure this kind of out on our own, and we can now start doing it in-house. So if anybody has, you know, any SEO needs or wants training or anything, I'm pretty sure, as for me, I would, and I know that Danny and Hunter would recommend you guys to anybody that needs help.